I think that took less than 3 months. We were about between the 6 week mark, I think I started feeling no pain during most activities. So at this point, by the time I'd worked with you, Connor, I'd been almost 3 years afraid of putting true weight on my knee, which meant a lot of the pleasures of my life had been kind of closed off to me. From dancing to hiking to horseback riding, those were things I was afraid to get back into because they required lateral tension on my knee that I was afraid to put. So the bottom line is I saw a review, I was scared, I was in pain, I was worried, and I was frankly worried that it just might not work for me, that I might be in some ways too broken to fix.
Did it take you to start to see results in your body and in your knee pain itself?
I want to say within the first month, because I think at this point we were meeting bi-weekly. And so by our second session, I was certainly more present in my body and more connected to the different pieces working together. And I was paying attention to it significantly more than I'd ever been.